everybody, I'm Margot and welcome back to Building My Veggie Garden. Welcome back. Today we're going to be harvesting our Roselle. From our previous episode on Roselle, you'll know that Roselle is a type of hibiscus plant. And even though it's not native to Florida or the USA, it's often referred to as the Florida cranberry. In other parts of the world, it's referred to as Jamaica, Flor de Jamaica, and Rosa de Jamaica. Even though our Roselle is related to the hibiscus that you see before us, that's a more conventional ornamental plant, doesn't actually produce the calyx like our Roselle does. It is believed that the origin of this plant, the Roselle, is somewhere in Sudan, Africa, maybe Malaysia or India. And even though this plant is very popular in Africa and Asia, it's also very popular in Latin America and the Caribbean. Roselle are a perennial plant that thrive in full sun. Even though the flowers themselves are exquisite, it's actually the calyx that are used for food, teas, and coloring. Additionally, the young shoots and leaves are also edible. Last time we showed you how to plant Roselle with cuttings, but today we're going to show you how we planted our Roselle from seeds and how long it took for us to see the beautiful calyxes. One of the interesting things about Roselle is that it's triggered by the light cycles of the year. Roselle starts to bloom at the end of summer and beginning of fall. The flowers bloom for one day and then wither and fall. So as the days get shorter in the fall, they actually start producing these calyxes. You can remove the calyxes with scissors or clippers, or you can remove entire branches if you want to eat the young greens. Scientific studies in Mexico are showing that Roselle is actually going to be impacted by climate change because even though it really loves the nice heat and sun, excessive heat and excessive humidity can reduce the growth. This means it may slow down the growth of the plant. One of the things you can do to combat this climate change is to produce food in your garden, which cuts back all of the machinery, transportation costs, and all of the greenhouse gases that are produced from modern agriculture to get your food from seed to you. As we mentioned, the flowers themselves only bloom for one day, but 7 to 10 days after blooming is the best time to harvest the calyxes, when the ends are still pointy, but the inside is young and tender. Once you've collected your calyxes, you want to then peel off the calyx part of the seed pod. And if you want to save the seeds to plant again, you don't want the seed pod to be green or moldy black. You want it to be nice and brown. When you open the seed pod, you will get dozens of seeds.
Isn't our harvest beautiful? And just in time for the holidays, we have a Roselle tea recipe for you that promises to be a hit. You may serve it hot or cold. Let's check out the recipe. Roselle tea, or agua de Jamaica. Ingredients: 4 cups of water, 1 cup of Roselle hibiscus calyces dried or fresh, 1 stick of cinnamon stick, 1 thin slice of ginger, 3 allspice berries, a pinch of ground nutmeg, half a cup of monk fruit, sugar, brown sugar, or the sweetener of your choice. It may take less or more depending on how you like it. Preparation: put 3 cups of water into a pot with the spices and bring them to a boil. Once the water is boiling, pour the Roselle into the water. Continue boiling for 7 minutes. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Strain into a teapot if you want a hot beverage, or a pitcher if you want a cold beverage. Add the last cup of water and sweeten it to your taste with the monk fruit or sweetener of your choice. Serve as a hot beverage or serve over ice as a cold beverage. Enjoy! Roselle is not only delicious, but it also provides us with amazing health benefits. It is an anti-inflammatory. It improves digestion, It has cancer-resistant properties. It protects our liver. It lowers cholesterol. It helps managing blood pressure. It reduces blood sugar levels. These are great reasons to make it a holiday tradition and a favorite all year round. Enjoy!
Look at our beautiful Roselle. If you want more information, please see our previous episode on Roselle to get more recipes and information. We love having you in the garden, so please follow us on all our social media accounts, and we hope to see you next time. Bye.
This tea is delicious. It is a great addition to your holiday traditions. We had so much fun today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our social media channels. See you next time. Bye.